Good morning, guys. Let's get straight to business. I bought a daily. I don't want to tell you guys too much about it yet, but it's something I've always been wanting, and I finally got it. So I'm gonna take you guys on this process or journey with me to building this car, because everybody always tells me build a YouTube. So let's see how this goes out. So guys, we made it to Charlotte, North Carolina, and I'm about to head out to go to my ride, and we're gonna go see the car. That was the longest flight. Not longest, but it was a long ass flight for no reason. But we made it. We here. We outside. So let's go. Guys, my ride is here. And you guys might want to meet this person, because this is my dad. This is the King Mechanic, the boss. Anything you need fixed, he could fix it, alright guys? Anything. Come on, talk your talk, man.
No speak English.
I'm gonna tag his Lake Tour Getaways. If you guys are ever in the North Carolina area and you guys want to go on a nice little tour, you guys should book him. He's a vibe. You see what he's playing? Oh, hey. Do we need some theme music? Anyways, guys, we are almost at the house to see the car, and pretty excited, to be honest. This has been a dream car of mine since how long?
Quite some years.
Quite some years, right? Even before my E30, I was supposed to buy this car, but you know, it wasn't meant to be at the moment. And then now look at, we are here. He getting the music. Before I show you guys this car, I just want to say, if you know, you know. All right. Looking at it now, it is a salvage car from Copart. It is hit, but that's nothing to me, because we fix that. We do all of that. You understand? So I'm just gonna show you guys. Here it is, my 98 Esther Blue E36 know us and know how we get down. You guys know that this is nothing to us.
Absolutely nothing.
Absolutely nothing. So I'm gonna show you guys the whole journey throughout this whole car, and I'm gonna show you how we fix it, and we're gonna make it look nice. I just gotta say one thing. I love the car. I love it. I already have parts for it and everything, so this process should go smoothly. But once again, if you guys are ever in North Carolina, Charlotte area, this is the boat to be on. This is the boat to be on. You guys could check out the Instagram, and trust me, no disappointment. All of you who always ask me, what car does your dad have? What car is he building? What car is he building? I'm just gonna show you right here. Down to get this show on the road from North Carolina to New York. I can't wait to be done with this thing. It's gonna look sick. So later on down the line in the channel, I'll introduce you guys to my other cars. I know I'm kind of starting a little bit late here, but hey, you just gotta start somewhere, right? So see you guys in New York. So guys, we stopped in Virginia to get gas, use the bathroom, and get right back on road. But this car's been doing very good on the trailer. Very good. Morning guys, it's been a long night. Sorry I didn't keep you guys updated, but the car is in New York now and I'm excited for it. Should be a nice build and I'm gonna keep you guys updated on how it goes.